good rehearsal. Balik po tayo. Loka lang. Kinabahan si Mami.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si May Camille Tortor-Pesero po.
Maika, grabe ka naman!
Somebody's crying. Hang on. I gotta intervene. Excuse
Ayun
me.
na!
Oh!
May invest na si Coach. Lumuluhod pa si Coach.
Yeah, what's happening? Coach, now she's crying, okay? I don't like seeing people crying.
Yes,
Unless they're being
nice.
paid a lot of money to do it on film.
Yes.
Ayan na. Nako, you like water? Oh, you like water? What about, you like buffet? Come, I give you. Go away. Oh, gusto mo kulutin pa kita? Oo, okay lang. Sandali. Gusto mo
Relo?
Ay, water.
Hiniram ko lang to
Kasi nahirapan ka doon. Here, go. Thank you very much.
Tubig?
Well, good job. I'll go back to the chair.
Very, very
Okay, I'll get back.
Apat na coaches na papunta sa kanya center stage. Kaya niyo ba yung ginagawa ni Maika? Hindi. Subukan natin. Game. Go. Nag-o-opera ba kayo o nanganganak?